Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Mr. JR Breakthrough Wells with Digital Breakthrough Marketing, sharing with you guys some real crazy information that could change your life forever. Because I know this kind of information is really what shifted my mindset when I seen what was possible with just the thought process. So check this out. So as we're all quarantined right now, dealing with the COVID-19, we have no barbershops available. So I recall 2 years ago, I was speaking with my barber and giving him some insights on, bro, while you're cutting hair, you should really record it. Explain how you're cutting hair, the fade, the taper fade, the skin tight fade. When you have all these different haircuts that you're cutting already, why not show people how it's done? Because there's going to come to a point when you need to monetize, which is get paid for that particular information. Now, if my mans would have followed those instructions at this point in time in our life, those videos would have been found and monetized, which means YouTube, based off videos, will pay you for the amount of views that you have. So let me give you guys an example. How to, as I put those two words, a lot of things have come up. How to make hand sanitizer, the number one thing, because that's what's being searched on Google right now in this search bar. So how to make hand sanitizer. Again, COVID-19, hand sanitizer is something most people want to make, as well as face masks. So look, number two, how to make a face mask. If you know how to make, let's just go there. I was going to go with the barber, but since we're in COVID, let me just use this right now. 1,200,000,000 search results. That's how many pieces of content are right now around this keyword, how to make a face mask. So if you know how to make a face mask, as you can see, people are selling these face masks. And the more custom you get them, the more they cost. Okay? Simple. So now let's take it down to the exact phrase. 7 million results for this particular phrase. People are using this as in search engine optimization on how to make a face mask. Now check this out. Let's take it just one step further. How to make a face mask at home. Boom. So let's just take this DIY video. Okay, do it yourself face mask. No sewing. This was done April 20th. As of me making this video, May 12th, let's just see how many views this particular video has right now. Look at these numbers. 39 million views. April 20th, about how to make face masks at home. So let me take one more video. Let's go with this guy right here. April 23rd, 16 seconds. Make a face mask at home. Boom. Let's see how many views this guy got.
We're all being encouraged to wear
1 million, almost 2 million views this guy has. Almost 2 million views. So what am I saying? You can literally make a face mask at home, record the video, upload the video, and when you start breaking these kind of numbers, because people are searching for how to make a face mask at home, once they start searching, and it's all good information, this is information you love to provide, right? Because you're making the mask. You know how to do it. People want to know how. Let's take the next term I was talking about. How to cut your own hair. Number one search term. Look at these. Just look at the results. Now let's take it down to its exact term. Look how the numbers have shrunk. So now if I cut me a video, let's go to video. March 19th. Look at this. March 19th. Quick and easy home haircut tutorials and tips. How to cut your own hair. Let's see what we got. Let's see anything. These are older videos right here. Boom. Let me do this. How to fade my own hair. Okay, August, January, March. These old videos. If someone wanted to monetize, boom, right here, March 28th, 2020. How to fade your own hair. Step-by-step haircut. Boom. Let me click it. This is how you monetize. Okay, let's see.
Like this, go through every single video that I've got.
Okay. 498,000 views, March 28th, 2020. March, April, May, less than 2 months. And this guy is over here selling supplements and clothing and whatever else. Here's his link to his Facebook and connect. Shout out to you, bro, for some free traffic. Look, I'm not a barber, just a dude that is quarantined. I mean, come on. How to fade your own hair for beginners. Boom. August, April. Let's go. April, right here. April 2nd. Boom. 22,000. Look at the way you brand it, though. Barber Style Directory. Let's check out his page. So my man is a barber. Man, this is it right here. For all you barbers out there, this is it. This is how you monetize your skill set. This is how you break through right here. We started off with masks, and now you will know exactly how to make money in 2020 just like this. And you know what? YouTube is paying, oh buddy. YouTube is sending them a check. Shout out to you, Barber Style Directory. This is how you do it right here. How to cut waves after a 3-week wolf. Taper. Full length. Easy to follow taper tutorial. I mean, look, I'm just look. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to subscribe to his channel so then I can cut my little man's hair. All I have to do is follow the training. So you guys can use this for anything, making masks, hand sanitizer, cutting hair, tying shoes, teaching kids, whatever your passion is, whatever you love to do, you can do something as simple as what I just shared with you, looking up the keywords, kind of getting an idea of what you really want to do kind of deal. And with that, game over. It's your boy Breakthrough. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.